Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PlayStation 4 controller to a personal computer. The quickest and most reliable way to begin playing is by using a micro USB cable. Simply plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your personal computer should automatically detect the device, allowing for immediate, low-latency gameplay without any extra fuss. This method ensures a stable connection, perfect for competitive gaming. For wireless freedom, you can connect your controller using Bluetooth. First, ensure your personal computer has Bluetooth enabled, either built-in or with a USB adapter. To put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes rapidly. Then, on your computer, go to Bluetooth settings and select Add Device. Choose your controller from the list to complete the connection. While your controller might work with some games natively, PS4 Windows greatly expands its compatibility and features. This free, open-source software helps your PlayStation 4 controller emulate an Xbox 360 controller, making it instantly recognizable by a much wider range of personal computer games. PS4 Windows offers extensive customization, including button remapping, touchpad functionality, and even light bar control, truly enhancing your gaming sessions. To set up PS4 Windows, first download the latest version from its official website. Avoid unofficial sources. Once downloaded, extract the files to a folder you can easily find, perhaps in your documents. Open the application and follow the initial setup wizard, which will guide you through installing any required drivers, typically virtual bus drivers. This crucial step ensures seamless communication between your controller and the software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.